How did ancient Egyptians build the massive pyramids without modern machines? This question has fascinated people for centuries. Today, let's uncover the real story behind these ancient wonders, exploring the science, engineering, and human spirit that made the pyramids possible. The Great Pyramid of Giza covers over 13 acres, an area so vast it's almost impossible to grasp from the ground. To put it in perspective, that's more land than 10 football fields combined, stretching out beneath the Egyptian sun. Standing at its base, people look like tiny figures against the immense stone structure, dwarfed by the sheer size of the monument. Each side of the base stretches an astonishing 756 feet, and when it was first built, the pyramid soared nearly 480 feet into the sky, taller than a modern 40-story building. The pyramid's mass is about 6 million tons, made up of millions of limestone and granite blocks, each weighing several tons. These stones were stacked with such incredible precision that the structure has endured for over 4,500 years. The Giza Plateau is also home to two other massive pyramids, each one a monumental achievement in its own right, forming a breathtaking trio that dominates the desert landscape. Remarkably, each side of the Great Pyramid's base differs by less than a few inches, a level of accuracy that still amazes modern engineers and architects. The sheer scale and precision of these ancient monuments stand as a testament to the willpower, ingenuity, and vision of an entire civilization echoing through the ages. The Great Pyramid is made up of about 2.3 million stone blocks, each one carefully placed by hand over thousands of years ago. Imagine the sheer scale of this achievement. Every single block had to be quarried, transported, and set with incredible precision. Most of the limestone blocks weigh between 2 and 3 tons, which is as heavy as a large car. Some of the granite blocks, used in the inner chambers, are even more massive, weighing up to 50 tons, about the weight of 7 elephants. The limestone was sourced from quarries close to the pyramid site, but the granite had to be transported all the way from Aswan, nearly 500 miles to the south. Moving such heavy stones over such a distance was a monumental task in itself. Ancient workers used copper chisels and stone hammers to cut and shape the blocks. To move them, they placed the stones on wooden sledges and dragged them across the sand, often pouring water in front to reduce friction and make the journey smoother. The builders developed ingenious techniques to fit the stones together so tightly that even today you can barely slide a piece of paper between them. This level of craftsmanship has helped the pyramids withstand thousands of years of weather and time. Every block represents not just physical labor, but also careful planning, teamwork, and problem solving. The organization required to coordinate thousands of workers and millions of stones was truly extraordinary. In the end, millions of these stone blocks, each one lifted and set by hand, came together to create the pyramids, enduring marvels that continue to inspire awe and wonder to this day. How did Egyptians move and lift those enormous stones? The answer: ramps. Straight ramps, zigzagging ramps, and spiral ramps have all been proposed by archaeologists. Straight ramps were extended as the pyramid grew, while zigzag and spiral ramps saved space and materials. Spiral ramps may have curled around the pyramid, blending with the structure. Workers used sledges, ropes, and teamwork to maneuver stones upward. The ramps themselves were engineering projects, requiring constant adjustment. Ancient engineers solved big problems with simple, effective tools and a lot of human effort. Contrary to popular myth, the pyramids were built by thousands of skilled Egyptian workers, not slaves. These workers lived in nearby villages with access to food, housing, and medical care. The workforce was organized into teams with specific roles: stone cutters, haulers, ramp builders, and overseers. Each team had its own identity, sometimes even friendly rivalries. Modern construction managers still marvel at the logistics and efficiency. Workers passed down their skills through generations, taking pride in their craft. The pyramids are a testament to what humans can accomplish when united for a common goal. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points, less than a fraction of a degree off true north. This remarkable accuracy is not just a coincidence. It's the result of careful planning and an advanced understanding of geometry and astronomy for its time. Even today, experts marvel at how such precision was achieved thousands of years ago, without the aid of modern technology. Egyptians used simple surveying tools and careful observation of the stars to achieve this accuracy. By tracking the movement of the sun and stars, they could determine true north and lay out the pyramid's base with astonishing precision. Their methods, though basic by today's standards, were incredibly effective and reveal a deep understanding of the natural world. The base is a nearly perfect square, and the stones are cut so precisely that joints are less than a millimeter wide. Each block fits seamlessly with its neighbors, creating a structure that has endured for millennia. The level of detail and care in the stonework is truly extraordinary. This precision ensured the pyramid's stability and longevity. The careful alignment and tight joints have helped the pyramids withstand earthquakes, erosion, and the passage of time, allowing them to remain standing as some of the world's oldest and most impressive structures. It also reflected the Egyptians' deep connection to mathematics, astronomy, and nature. Their achievements in architecture were not just practical, but also symbolic, representing their beliefs about the cosmos and their place within it. The craftsmanship rivals, and sometimes surpasses, modern stonework. Even with today's advanced tools, replicating the precision and durability of the pyramids would be a monumental challenge. The pyramids are more than monuments. They're products of calculation, observation, and a culture that valued accuracy. Their enduring presence is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the ancient Egyptians, inspiring awe and curiosity in people around the world to this day. How did Egyptians lift massive stones to such heights? It wasn't just brute force. Ramps were crucial, but as the pyramid rose, workers adapted with spiral or zigzag ramps for upper layers. Levers helped lift blocks by small increments, saving time and energy. Teams of workers used ropes and coordination to haul stones up ramps or into place. Ancient graffiti records the names of some of these teams, showing pride and camaraderie. The process was slow and methodical, requiring patience and persistence. Over time, the pyramid grew. One stone, one level, one ingenious solution at a time. For nearly 3,800 years, the Great Pyramid was the tallest human-made structure on Earth. Originally, it was covered in smooth white limestone casing stones that gleamed in the sun. The internal temperature stays remarkably constant, around 20 lux, 68 Celsius, despite the desert heat. Its alignment is so precise that many modern buildings can't match it, even with lasers and GPS. Despite centuries of erosion and earthquakes, it still stands tall. Some chambers remain unexplored, and new discoveries are made every year. The Great Pyramid continues to challenge and inspire us, a beacon of human achievement. The pyramids stand as a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and determination. Their story is about the incredible power of human creativity and perseverance. No aliens required, just brilliant engineering and hard work. The real magic is in our hands and minds. Thanks for joining this journey through history and imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the past.